Okay, this is the Professor, drwillphd, PhD, and today's Monday, May 29th, 2023. It is 8:49 and 59 seconds, p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. And today's research, hologram breakthroughs. So let's jump to it here. Hologram experts can now create real-life images that move in the air, using lasers to create the displays of science fiction inspired by Star Wars and Star Trek. Date May 7, 2021. Source: Brigham Young University. They may be tiny weapons, but a holography research group has figured out how to create lightsabers, green for Yoda and red for Darth Vader, naturally, with actual luminous beams rising from them. What you are seeing in the scenes they create is real. There is nothing computer generated about them. This is not like the movies, or the lightsabers, or the photon torpedoes. Never really existed in physical space. These are real, and if you look at them from any angle, you will see them existing in that space. As 3 years ago they figured out how to draw sceneries, free-floating objects in space, called optical trap displays. They are created by trapping a single particle in the air with a laser beam, and then moving that particle around, leaving behind a laser, illuminated path that floats in midair like a 3D printer or light. The research goes to the next level and produces simple animations in thin air. The development paves the way for an immersive experience where people can interact with holographic-like virtual objects that coexist in their obedient space. Most 3D displays require you to look at a screen, but their technology allows them to create images floating in space, and they are physical, not some mirage. And this technology can make it possible to create vibrant animated content that orbits around, or crawls on, or explodes out of everyday physical objects. And to demonstrate that principle, the team of scientific investigators and holography researchers create virtual stick figures that walk in thin air. They were able to demonstrate the interaction between their virtual images and humans by having a student place a finger in the middle of the volumetric display, and then film the same stick finger walking along and jumping off that finger. The work overcomes a limiting factor to optical trap displays, wherein this technology lacks the ability to show virtual images. Researchers show it is possible to simulate virtual images by employing a time-varying perspective projection backdrop. They can play some fancy tricks with motion parallax, and they can make the display look a lot bigger than it physically is. This methodology would allow them to create the illusion of a much deeper display, up to theoretically an infinite size display. And this is the Professor on holography, bioinformatics, computer science, and leader of research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.